Okay, this is a video request that I just recently got. So, yeah. So here is a Fresh and Aire by Cory. It's a deluxe 3-speed automatic. Sadly, the thermostat does not work, but it does kick the fan off. So, but it doesn't turn on or off with the temperature-wise. It's got a bit of a motor noise, buzz. I was told that Martin Garcia, I think. And anyway, yeah, there's supposed to be like a spray or something you put on the motor. You recoat the motor, something like that. I don't know. Can't remember the name of it. Anyway, yeah, here is low. Takes a minute for it to start up. About 3-4 feet away from it. We'll go to medium. Damn, this batch is freaking hard. And then go to high. And go off. You know what? Leave like that. Turn this thermostat on. Right? Keep that on high. So I'm going to show you the buzz sound. Alright. Okay. And it's a little heavy. Oh, don't mind the grill right there. When the Famor man had it, he forgot to finish the paint on it. Anyway, here is the buzz sound. Of course it decides to spin down longer. Alright, well, that's it. If you have any more video requests, let me know in the comments. And till next time.